Hello everyone, how to do it back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to use Chat, your AI chatbot application. So first of all, you need to install this app, then simply tap on the open button. Then you can see here the interface like this. It looks different and unique. So tap the cross button, and you can see if you want to log in your account, tap here my AI, then you can create, but you don't need to log in. So write message, and you can see here different categories: AI assistant, talk to AI, upload photo, AI browser, video AI, AI art, homework, confuse swap AI. So I'm just tap the here AI assistant and write caption, image, photo. Okay, I said hi. So it's similar to the others, like you can see here, and you can adjust files from your gallery and photos. And if you tap it talk to AI, then you can tap here, but you need to be premium. Upload photos, then you can upload photos here to generate videos, AI art, homework, and this is explore. Like you can see a notification, maybe not now, I'll see it later. Then you can see this is explore, people created this OA, and also here my AI, so you can create your own AI here. So you can try. If you already know how to use other chatbot, then you can also use this. This is the same thing.